Hey, I'm Simon from the Bracketeer. Let's install our bracket in the Subaru Crosstrek. In the case of this Subaru, we're going to use the bolt-on method. So remove the seat mount bolts. Now we can bolt the seat mount bolt back down through the reversed clamping loop. Now we can bolt on our adjustable spacer bar. Now we have to find the best position for our cradle. Sometimes you'll use the multi-drilled arms and other times you'll bolt directly onto the adjustable spacer bar. We're going to use the multi-drilled arms. Now the extinguisher goes in the cradle. And there we have the bracket installed, and the seat can come right up over the top of it.